Unbelievable. Did you want anything?
Puppy.
What do you want? You want milk? That's milk. Hey, did you want any, or are you just telling me what they are? If you don't want it, shut the door. Thank you. Unbelievable.